Hi guys, and welcome to our weekly forecast. So we start with the VSA, our VSA system. Basically the system will read all the currencies and will tell you which index is strong and which index is weak. So it's very important to be aware of what's going on in the market. So basically at that time you could sell the Canadian dollar, you could short the Canadian against the USD. The USD was really strong. So basically when you see the USD strong, you know the gold most likely will be up, euro dollar down, pound dollar down. So basically the system is going to help you a lot. Okay, you're going to find the Canadian to be really weak at the time, so basically you can go long USDCAD very quickly. So instead of you watching the market 24 hours, the system is going to do it for you. The system can be downloaded from our website FX Market Strategy. There is some fees for it, but it's worth it. Okay, so also it will give you on this side, if you go click on the left side, it's going to give you all the currencies right here, these currencies, and it's gonna tell you which one is in the buy, how much is buy, how much is sell. Basically you care about the delta. Okay, the bigger the number, the super trend it is. So basically euro dollar was crashing, see, minus 3.1. this is the strength of the fall. So basically something like pound New Zealand was not moving. Okay, was only minus 0.3. basically I wouldn't trade pound New Zealand at that time. I would be selling euro USD, and also USDCAD. I would be interested to take this 6.4, which is really strong trade, and you go long. So it's giving you, it's a long, and that's the strength of the trend. Okay, so basically it's helping a lot. Okay, we jump to the dollar index. As you guys can see, the dollar index did come to this support level right here. It did find support at the same exact level. It looks like it's gonna continue going up all the way here. Basically it's going in ABCD form. Basically ABCD, you go one up, okay, you come down to make a correction, then you go back up, and this up could be either this one, so that's going to be A, B, C, D. Okay, this CD could be equal to AB, okay, or CD could be less than AB, or CD could be bigger than AB. Usually the relationship will be 0.61 here, okay, and here also be like 1.38. okay, if it's bigger then it's gonna be 1.38, if it's less it's gonna go 0.61. so basically it's probably gonna go from this area to this area. Okay guys, you got the point? So we're gonna use this methodology in our system. Also, this is the APCO trading system. This one, it's giving you the trend direction, it's giving you the buy signal, it's color coded, it gives you here a lot of information. You can control the stop loss, you can move the stop loss. As you can see, it's giving you the stop loss right here. You can move the stop loss, trade only like 1 hour. In the 1 hour time frame is the signal is going to be very close, and the stop loss also, and it doesn't wait too long for like reverse. It gives you good entries. Okay, so if you just use the 1 hour time frame, or even some people use the half hour time frame. Okay, I just use the 4 hour time frame for analysis. Okay, the second thing here we're going to use in our analysis is a MACD, you guys. Okay, let's learn something here if someone doesn't know. So that's a double top in the MACD right here, but this was kind of actually going up. Okay, so basically where the price is going up, the MACD was plotting the same thing. So basically that's a divergence. Where the price is going up, the MACD is not going any higher. So basically that was a sign of a reverse. So that's a divergence where this is steady and this is going higher. So basically the divergence is going back down. Did come down all the way almost to the same level here. See this low right here in the MACD and this one. Okay, so they made almost double bottom in the MACD and just bounced back. Basically bounced back, it did go to the reference 0 point right here. Okay, then I just moving a little bit down, making a small pullback right here, and is gonna go head back up. Okay, so basically the first target is going to be here in this yellow area, and the second target will be the top resistance level. Okay guys, so basically that's TB1, okay, and that's TB2. So basically this will be a good and long position. It's very important to notice when you reach this level right here in the MACD, we need to get out. Okay, we need to get out. Also it would be the same thing right here. If we reach here, basically it's overbought. So basically if we reach all the way here, we need to come back down a little bit like this to get more momentum and get more buy orders, and just go back again. Okay, I think we may get something like this. So basically euro dollar, as you can see, we are working between the 1.670 support level and the 1.19. okay, so the price did come down as we expected last week, and just a small pullback to the upside, and this is opposite of the dollar index, guys. Okay, you can see the MACD right here is giving you a down move since this area. So basically from here you want to take only every sell. The MACD is giving you the trend direction, guys. Okay, basically you have an ABCD. If this is AB, okay, like that, and this is equal right here, so basically this is the target area. This from here all the way here, we're looking at 1.760. so basically like another 100 so pips. Okay, if you guys want to join our service, you can join FX market strategy. Also you can join our trade signals, and you can download our systems to look exactly like this, and we help you install them in your computer so they look exactly like this. Okay, also we give 8-hour training course with the annual package. So basically we don't leave you on your own. We set up the system, we train you a lot about how to use it and how to understand the market. Okay, so basically we in the bound USD, so you can see this is the top here and that's the bottom, double bottom right here, very clear. So the price did go, it did make a lower high, it did come back here right here, and that's a 23, that's the fib level, right guys, from here to there. That's a 23 exactly. It did come almost to 61.8, it did go back to the 23 and it's coming back down. So basically we're looking at this move right here, and that's one of the harmonic pattern, guys. Okay, so if you look at this, that's an M shape, right, basically. So basically this can come all the way down, that's an equal highs, that can come all the way down to here, or it can go reach to like 0.86, or it can actually exceed to 1.13 or 1.127 or something. Okay, so basically that's the target number 1, TB1, okay, and that's TB2 for now. Okay, where the MACD is actually shown to the upside, but you can see this is a red start to show right here. Okay, and also that's a small one, so that's basically you're going down, lower highs. Okay, okay, so USDCAD right here, we have the same thing. We're going up, we're coming down in a correction. I'm in a long position. You can see this is also, I think that's gonna shoot all the way up to 1.3 again. Okay, that's a really good buy. You guys can also look at the MACD right here, this one and this one, it's about. Australian USD, the same thing. We're looking to further down in the direction. Euro Australian, we're looking for to continue to the upside, and that's the target. You can take a screenshot. Euro Japanese yen, I think that's gonna only continue down to 29. Canadian Japanese yen, I think that's gonna go further down with the oil. It's very clear and nice. Pound Japanese yen, I think that's gonna come down to 150.30. Australian Japanese yen coming down to 79.50. Euro New Zealand, I think it's really good trade, guys. Don't miss this one. I'm gonna go all the way up to here. So basically we're looking at 1.69 from 1.65. So we're looking probably at 300 points here. Okay, so basically that's really good trade. Pound New Zealand, same scenario. That's a very, very good trade. Gold, I think gold is gonna continue coming down. So basically I'm short in gold. US oil, I'm also short in the US oil. You can see it's going in a channel right here, up and down, up and down. So basically we're looking for this down wave to come all the way here and make a quotation and come down to, and we're looking at 60 level. Then German, the DAX, guys, German 30 is actually, we continue to come all the way down. We discussed 16,000. Okay, I think that's gonna come. I think that's gonna come down to 13K. Okay. Dow Jones. So we are looking to continue to the bearish. So we need 10% correction. Okay, so from 36, that's 36K. 10% equals 3K. So basically 36 minus 3K is actually 33. Okay, so basically we're looking to go down all the way to 33. So that's 34,600. We already dropped. So we're looking at another 1,600 points. It doesn't have to go straight, it just can go in ABCD pattern. So it will go like this, then go up, 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 then drop again. Okay, guys. Okay, that was it for today, guys. If you're interested to join our service, the link is above right here. Thank you and have a great day.